Chemical Force says he has the strongest acid on Earth. Well, he's technically wrong. Watch this.
Chicken skin is quite similar. The process of getting a superacid on an unprotected section of your body would be the same.
Water on it. So the reaction's happening more. You see Hello guys, I'm really pissed off that Chemical Force says he has the strongest acid on Earth, which is technically true, but it's fluoroantimonic acid. Well, he's never mentioned helium hydride, which fluoroantimonic acid has a pH of negative 31, but helium hydride has a pH of negative 63. That's 10 billion times stronger than fluoroantimonic acid. And guess what? I'll be making it this video. Get ready to see cool reactions with this acid. So the first thing I'm definitely going to need is helium. Check. The next thing I'm going to need is hydrogen. Check. The next thing I'm going to need is a Tesla coil. Check. So the hardest thing I'm going to need to do is get hydrogen, which I'm going to need to do by mixing lye, or sodium hydroxide, with aluminum. So now that I've done this, I'm going to wipe this off because this stuff's very dangerous and powerful. But I've mixed it in, and now I'm going to show you the next step. Next step is to get my gas mask on. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. I'm going to get my gloves on so I don't feel the heat. Okay. There we go, let's make it. Okay. The hydrogen is right here. And I'm gonna have to do something. So let's just see what that is. Okay, here we go. So I'm simply gonna line this up right here. Just hope this works. I think I'm gonna tape it. Oh, look, something's happening. Okay. I think I gotta add more. So we now got some hydrogen in here, and here's where the fun part begins. So I'm now gonna take this. Okay, now that I got the hydrogen in there, I'm now going to put this right here and stick it on into the flask. Right here. Here we go. Now I've made a thing with helium and hydrogen. Now here's where the fun part begins. Okay, here we go. So you see this right here? This is going to be our mixture for making the acid. And this right here is Teflon. Now, do you think Teflon will be able to survive helium hydride? Even though it can survive fluoroantimonic acid? I'm also going to show you the effects it has in water too. So there's water and there. I'm now going to do this. Okay, reaction's happening now. So, the reaction that just happened there was so microscopic that you couldn't even see it. But it's something that would never usually happen. So, Teflon was defeated. The water was defeated. It's not even soluble in water. It's actually gas. Which means it can't even survive. I'll tell you more about this acid, that's happening. Helium hydride has only been made 4 times, and it's the most abundant and most first chemical ever made in the universe. and it's almost magical. And because of that, it can turn plastic into hydrogen, and it can turn Teflon into hydrofluoric acid, and it can turn water into hydronium ion. Interesting, right? If you liked the video, then like.